DJI RC Pro Review: Why this high-performance remote controller changes outdoor aerial photography. You're out in the field. Perfect light, perfect shot lined up. Then your phone screen dims in the sunlight. You squint, you cup your hand over it, you miss the moment. Or worse, it overheats mid-flight. That sinking feeling? It's avoidable. There's a better way to fly. Sound familiar? You're not alone in this frustration. Every missed shot chips away at your confidence. Every dropped connection wastes your time. A filmmaker told us he lost a golden hour shot because his phone froze. The stress builds. The inefficiency drags. You start second-guessing your gear instead of trusting your vision. But what if your controller never let you down? Hope exists, and it's closer than you think. Enter the DJI RC Pro, a high-performance remote controller built to solve exactly this. Don't just buy any drone controller. Make sure it has a 1000 nit high-brightness screen so you never suffer from outdoor visibility issues again. This isn't a phone clamp setup. It's a dedicated flight console with a stunning 5.5-inch 1080p display, O3 Plus transmission pushing 15-kilometer range with only 120 milliseconds latency, and a processor fast enough to handle 4K at 120 frames per second playback without breaking a sweat. A wedding videographer shared how she nailed a ceremony flyover in blazing noon sun, every detail visible, every movement precise. A search and rescue pilot described flying through dense forest with zero signal dropout. The RC Pro features removable control sticks, HDMI output for client monitors, and even supports third-party apps like Litchi for automated missions. It's compatible with Mavic 3 Pro, Mavic 3 Classic, Mini 3 Pro, Air 2S, and more. One more thing, the active cooling fan keeps performance stable even during marathon shoots in scorching heat. Picture this. You power on, connect in under 60 seconds, and fly with absolute confidence. No phone notifications, no cable failures, no overheating warnings. Just you, your drone, and a crystal clear live feed in full high definition. The customizable C1 and C2 buttons let you map your most used functions: gimbal recenter, AE lock, map toggle, so your hands never leave the sticks. The scroll wheel adjusts exposure or gimbal tilt with buttery smooth precision. Real estate photographers report finishing property shoots faster because they can review 4K footage directly on the controller's screen between flights, no laptop needed. A commercial cinematographer said, "The HDMI output changed my on-set workflow. Directors see the live feed on a monitor. Everyone's aligned. We move faster." The O3 Plus link holds rock solid, even in urban environments thick with interference. One pilot flew complex shots around metal structures and Wi-Fi saturated areas without a single stutter. Battery life? Roughly 3 hours, enough for multiple full battery cycles on your drone. Ever wonder why pros keep choosing this over cheaper options? Because reliability isn't a luxury when the shot matters. It's the difference between nailing it and explaining why you didn't. Availability shifts as more pilots upgrade their rigs. Professionals who've switched consistently report they wouldn't go back to phone-based setups. A landscape photographer called it the single best upgrade to my aerial workflow. The DJI RC Pro isn't just a controller, it's the command center your creative vision deserves. Ready to fly with confidence? Grab yours before stock fluctuates and experience what outdoor flying should feel like. Your best shots are waiting.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.